What's up, cool kids? FD White. What a time to be alive, man. What a time to be alive. So we got the president or the incoming president of the United States dropping a meme coin. We'll look at that. We'll look at Bitcoin. We'll look at a few altcoins. We'll just get you set up for the weekend and going into next week with this, which is the inauguration. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Overnight, I was sleeping real good, man. It's 6 a.m. here. I wake up and I see just a bunch of influencers talking about this Trump meme coin. I see $ Trump. I'm like, this is already out, right? Then I do a little bit of research, a little bit of digging, and I realized that this is a brand new meme coin that just launched. So it's $Trump, and he just put this out maybe about what's that? Maybe about 10 hours ago. He says, "My new official Trump meme is here. It's time to celebrate everything we stand for. Winning. Join my very special Trump community. Get your Trump now." So he does have the link, gettrumpmemes.com. I'm not going to click on it, but I just wanted to go over this very briefly because I did not expect this. I'm not going to lie. I did not expect this, man. And this is very, like, we have never been set up so bullishly, man. We have a crypto president. He's dropping memes right before he takes office. I mean, he's talking about crypto executive orders. He has or ties to a DeFi project, all these crypto regulations, talking about the strategic reserve for Bitcoin and a couple other altcoins, possibly, man. We are possibly setting up for a major rally. But I do think we do have some headwinds in the overall economy that may hold us back. But if that doesn't happen, if that gets the can kicked down the road, I think we're going to gear up for a major rally. So I just wanted to bring this to light. If you haven't seen this, if you're in the crypto community, you've probably seen it. I thought it got hacked at first, but then I did a little bit of due diligence, and it's on MEXC, it's on MEXC. Let's actually go over to CoinMarketCap. Right now, it's up 241, almost 242% since the launch. So I think it launched at about $6.24. It has a market cap of 4.4 billion with a fully diluted market cap of 22 billion. So 200 million coins are in circulation with the max supply of basically 1 billion. So I don't know about the tokenomics, but I mean, it's a Trump meme coin. So I'm maybe looking to play this. I may be looking to get some entries. Possibly, I missed this one right here about 19. I'm not going to look at the chart, but I could just tell, where some support levels are at. Came here, resistance at about $19. Came up to about 25. Came down for the bounce. Easy play, bouncing right off that 19 cents. So, I mean, that $19. So, I'll be watching this probably up until the inauguration. Maybe over the weekend, we'll trade some Trump. We'll see if we can get some Trump traded. Over on MEXC, probably I think it's spot right now. You can get some spot positions. I don't think they have any perpetual futures. So I just want to bring this to light to the cool kids, man. So if you guys want to play back into the meme coin casino, I think this will be one that'll have a nice amount of volatility going into the inauguration on Monday. I don't think it's a long-term hold. I have to look and see what's going on. It says, I don't know if it's going to be like some type of like real things behind it or actually some utility behind it. Kind of don't care. I'm not holding Trump coin. But I will, like I said, I will trade it over this weekend going into the inauguration. So I definitely want to watch meme coins as well. We did get meme coins starting to pop off. So I don't know if people kind of already knew that this was happening because we got an AI sell-off, AI agent sell-off, and then we got meme coins starting to pop. So I don't know if people kind of knew this was going to happen and they kind of front ran the meme coin momentum knowing this was going to drop. But we did get some good meme coin pumps today or yesterday on Friday. So let's go into Bitcoin now. So right now, Bitcoin is sitting at 103, 128. Trying to hold this level of support here, like I said, at about 102.8 to 103. So far, so good, man. So far, so good. So we did get up to a high of almost 106, so about 105.920, depending on what exchange you were looking at or what exchange you use. So right now, it's good. This is good, man. This is really good, man. I really like to see this. Came down, double bottom, and then we blasted off. Broke that neckline right here. Now we are trying to hold it. So as long as we can hold this right here, I'm really looking to take out these highs possibly around Sunday, which tomorrow or going into the inauguration. So we got another nice Trump pump after we got this 89K, low 89K level SFP swing failure pattern down to the lows. So Bitcoin is looking pretty good, man. We told you guys over here, don't worry, don't panic. They're all wrong. Everybody was calling for those low prices. Everybody were saying we was going down. We were prepared for those prices. We were prepared for Bitcoin to come down, but it wasn't our base case. It definitely wasn't our base case, especially with the inauguration and everything. The Trump pump, we thought that was coming, and it came, So right now, like I said, what we'll be looking for is to just hold this 102.8 to 103K level. And it's really not too much more to look at. We can look at some levels down. Like if we do start to lose that, I mean, we can go back to 100K. It's really that simple, man. So TA sometimes in a bull run can be just that simple. We don't really have to deep dive into what's going to happen. Like I said, I will keep the community updated, and we'll just go from there. So we're watching those levels at 103. If we lose that, we'll come back into this range down to about 99 to 100K. And it's really that simple, man. It's really that simple. I do believe that Bitcoin will start to go up here, take out these highs here at about 108 and go up to those new all-time highs. And it's looking like, let me go back to that one chart that I was looking at. It's looking like if we can get back into my range that we've been talking about over the past month or so, flip this back into support, I mean, we can start to make our way up to, 120, 130. And that'll be where I'll be looking for the top indicators. I don't know if 120, 130, that, this level would be the top, but I will be getting very, very cautious at these levels depending on how long it takes us to get here. So I do think February will be bullish. So hopefully, inauguration, we possibly can come up here, potentially hit our head. But what I want to do is hold this 108 level as support. I want to hold this. And then that'll also be coming in. We'll also flip this. So once we get into this level, which is coming in confluence with a horizontal at the all-time highs, now we can start to, work our way up. And then, boom, start making our way to the top side of this range here. Let's actually make this a little bit bigger so you guys can see the overall range that we started. And this was started back in the beginning of November, right after the election was over. So that's really, looks like I doodled a chicken or something right here, but that's really what I'm looking for Bitcoin. I do think 120, 130 is, yeah, that's an area that you really want to pay attention to. I'll be looking at the Pi cycle top indicator. I'll be looking at a few more indicators to see where we would be in terms of tops. But for the most part, I like it. I like the direction that Bitcoin is going. Let's look at some altcoins. So we did get Ethereum had a small little pump, but then look at this. I mean, we're selling off hard again, man. Ethereum, I really don't know what to say. I really wanted to flip this 3,500K level, and then I was going to make my way, hold this trade all the way up. So this is still in play right now. We're just in a range between about 3,200 coming up to that $3,500 level, which we need to flip and turn that back into support to make our way back up to about this $3,800 level. And then, we can start making our way back up to cycle highs at about 4,000. But Ethereum is looking, it's not my base case. It wasn't my base case for Ethereum to be looking this weak. It's down almost 6% today. So I don't know, and the day just really started maybe about 12 hours ago. So the day restarted about almost 12 hours ago, and Ethereum is down almost 6%. So I don't know what's going on with Ethereum. I did see something over on X that it was trending. Let me look up here right quick. So thought I seen something about Ethereum. Nope, we'll update the cool kids in the Telegram. So make sure you guys, these are my once you join the Telegram, those are my real-time thoughts, real-time action. So make sure you guys go and subscribe to my Telegram, the Cool Kids Telegram group. It will be at the top in the description. Link will be in the description below. I'll make sure I put it at the top so you guys can come over there. So we started a brand new one. So we're trying to build our subscriber base back up over there, get all the cool kids back over there. Let's go back to the charts though. Yeah, Ethereum. I'm just looking for Ethereum to hold between this range and sometime possibly in February flip this $3,500 level into support and keep going. I want to look at so XRP. XRP is getting a nice little sell off after we called the pump. We called this pump. We said XRP has one of the most bullish charts and it played out. It played out. So far, we are up from the time of breakout. We went up almost about 43%. Right now, we're getting a nice little pullback down to about $3.15 to $3.16 for XRP. So XRP, I got a target of, let me see. So spot positions, I will start to sell at about $4.50, give or take. But I have an overall target that I'm looking at about $5, which will be a psychological level as well. So an emotional move past 450, possibly to about 5, and I'm out of there. I'm sorry. A lot of people might think, I'm selling too early, or I'm selling too, selling. I don't know what you think if I start selling at about $5, but I've been holding XRP for a long time. I do think XRP is going to be around for a long time. It's one of the most oldest, or one of the oldest cryptos. It stood the test of times. I think it's going to go to those larger numbers eventually. I don't think it's going to happen too soon. A lot of people are saying like $100, and I thought, like, I'm not even looking at that. I'm looking at $5. Once we get to 5, I'll start to scale out of my spot positions that I've been holding since the end of 2020, and possibly my trade, which I took a little bit out to pay some bills. I'll start to scale out of my position for that one as well. Just a really low leverage, a leverage position that I have on XRP. Lastly, I want to look at Solana. So Solana right now is sitting at about 238, and this one is looking strong. And it's looking strong because of the Trump. It has launched on Sol. I think I seen something on Jupiter talking about the Trump meme coin. So we broke through this range here. We wanted to get back above this $200 level, hold this as support, and we were just looking to stay between this $200 level and this $220 level. But I mean, we just blasted off. So we're up 8.9% on today. We got up to a high of about $245. So our cycle high is coming in at about 265. So everybody had turned their back on Solana, man. Everybody turned their back on Solana. But remember, I kept saying all it takes is the meme coin craze to come back. All it takes is the meme coin craze to come back. So with the Trump coin, I think launching on Solana, pretty sure I read that this is the catalyst for Solana to start to take off. So if we do get a sharp pullback, which I probably do expect, down to about 220, this 220 area, this probably will be, for me, an area to look to hold, and then potentially start to make our way back up. Create a lower or higher low, and then possibly start aiming for these cycle highs up here at about, like I said, at about $2 or $260. So I thought Solana, depending on how the meme coin casino goes, we had a huge run at the end of the year, maybe like Q3 going into Q4, kind of slowed down, and the AI narrative started to take over. But if we do get this meme coin season, or this meme coin craze coming back, most of the gambling is on Solana. So I do expect Solana to do well if that happens. I expect or suspect Solana will get an ETF as well. A lot of people are bullish in a lot of high places. So Solana right here, I think, is a good buy. I think anything under 200 was a good buy. Potentially for like a 3 or 4x. I do think Solana may go to about 400 or 500. I was thinking 1,000, at first, but it just really depends on if that meme coin craze comes back. But base case scenario, I say about 400 or 500 for Solana if we can get that bull run momentum to continue. So that's just pretty much it, man. Quick recap. We got the Donald Trump meme coin. You can buy it on MEXC. I think that was the only centralized exchange that I saw. So so it's on Radium, it's on Bybit, BitGet, MEXC. Those are probably the top places that you can get it. We are getting a nice little pullback here, so I'll be looking possibly for an entry around this $19 area over on MEXC for some spot positions to try to hold it for a couple of days. Possibly, I think it'll be a huge sell-off by the rumor sell the news event for this meme coin, but we'll see. See, man. We'll see, man. It's an interesting time in crypto. It's an interesting time in the world, and I just want everybody prepared, everybody ready. We do have some trading things in the description below if you guys want to support the channel and you want to get into some good exchanges. I have BYDFI, which is a good exchange. They also have, if you join BYDFI under my link, you get free trading signals from BYDFI itself and me in the Telegram. They have their own Telegram that you can join, and you get free signals, free trading signals, free market updates in their Telegram group. So that'll be a perk that you can get if you sign up to my BYDFI link. I also have Bitunix, which is a great exchange, man. Clean, seamless. I love that exchange. I love that exchange, man. So I've been using that for about 2 months, 2 or 3 months, and it's been very, very, very good to me. I'll probably start doing, or probably do it today. Actually, if I get a little bit of time this weekend or tomorrow, I'll do some tutorials on those too. And if you want to become a funded trader, which you have to pass an evaluation, and then they give you the money. I have a link to Breakout Prop Firm. So we just passed another account maybe a month and a half ago. We have a 100K account, so we're going to try to flip that into $1 million live. I'm going to try to do it live, or as live as I can. I'll definitely keep the updates in the Telegram, and we are building our Discord out as well. So we got a lot coming, man. It's a lot going on. I have a lot going on, so I just definitely want to keep the community updated. That's my first and foremost goal, is to keep the community updated, making sure you guys know everything that I'm doing for the most part, staying transparent when I win or lose, and just, helping you guys navigate this crazy, crazy market, being rational in an irrational market, in an irrational environment. So that's my goal, man. So this is FD White. Make sure you guys hit that like, hit that subscribe, tell a friend. Tell your mother, your grandmother, your brother, everybody about FD. We're trying to grow, and we're going to continue to help the community, like I said. And we appreciate every single like, every single comment, and every single subscriber. And sometimes even the haters, man, because you guys are hilarious. So I'll talk to you guys in a minute. Peace.